Hello, this is Priscilla Batzell. I'm in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Fluid Art Studio. That's a 10 by 10 inch canvas. And I have a test in mind, but I figured I might as well include you. I'm going to put some Meeden Black paint on one side. And some Amsterdam black paint on the other side. That thing has got to go. Where are my tweezers? I've got this lump of paint stuck inside my rim of my paint bottle. Okay, now spatula. For at least half of this. Doesn't matter if it goes over. And then I want some of that spread out. And hopefully there's enough to tip. Although it occurs to me I could throw some white in there and that might be make it really interesting. I kind of want to tip that Amsterdam so it goes down closer to the edge before I put my other paint in. So I'm going to squish it with a stainless steel spatula. Whoops. Throw that in the bucket. So I am going to use, I put away my Chantilly lace. Put some on both sides maybe, that sounds like a good idea. Some Mayan gold. Some Bling It Golden Maple. A little bit of Quinacridone Nickel Gold. I mean a little because it's plugged. It's more plugged than I want it to be. Looks like I finally got some out. And what, last but not least, I've got some Indian spice, which is looking very similar to the Golden Maple Primary Element Bling It. Vivid Intense Burnished Copper. Let's throw a little bit more of that in there. I'm going to take my longest spatula. It's going to be on the right hand edge. Helps if I open the bottle. It's Australian Floetrol and Amsterdam Black. Oh, I wish I hadn't done that. Alright, I need to open my gold. I thought it was open. There we go. Let's add a little dribble. Getting caught up. I thought I might make it to the end. I'm going to, quick like a bunny, try and wet my studio rags. That way I have an opportunity to wipe off my spatula in case I want to use it again soon. That's pretty sharp. I think an edge catcher is in order. I'm just going to let everything flow over, and obviously the residuals are working well on the side with the Meeden Black. This way I get to keep whatever paint is on my edge catcher. I'll get to use it again if I scoop it up in a transfer. And I'll thin out the paint so I'll have less to worry about. Not that I usually worry, because I use GAC 800 by Golden in all of my paint mixes. Alternatively, I could just keep rotating the canvas and cover the edges. But I have the option to utilize the paint on my edge catcher, which is pretty cool right now. I want the rest of that off of there. I'm going to have to use a Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula. And then I'm going to call it good. Throw those in the bucket. I'll black my edges in a minute. Cover my gold again. Torch really quickly, hopefully. I'm not sure what, if anything, I proved to myself, except for I was capable of moving paint with a spatula. I'm going to shimmer that at you. And wish that my monitor's little red square that frames the painting was somewhere in the center, which it is not. But that ought to work. Let's give this a try. I'll give it a shimmer. Did I tell you that I added Gold and Diamonds Primary Elements to the QNAG? I don't know if I can get away with... Yeah, I like this a lot. I've got an edge to black before anything dries. So now we're good. Now I can take my photograph of the wet yeah, I've got a timer set in the other room. All right, I think that's centralized enough. Well, I thought so. I was wrong. I love you guys. Take care of each other, take care of yourselves. Please give me a thumbs up, share my video, leave me a comment. Know my paint pouring recipes below, show more. My link tree is underneath the video in the description. It has my websites and the Gallerist Society 6, pixels.com, Fahrenheit America. My email address is easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com. Should you like to inquire after taking a private one-on-one lesson with me, or possibly buying an artwork, which would be wonderful to hear from you. My Amazon link is on the link tree. Did I say that? My 2 books are on there too. Volumes 1 and Volumes 2 are Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. I like this. Thank you for being here. I hope you're a member. If you're not a member, you can be a member for $9.99 a month, and you help me buy canvases and keep bringing tutorials to YouTube and to everyone who enjoys them. Oh, what was I going to say? Thank you for the kind words in the comments. Did I say that probably twice? I have 31 playlists with 100 videos each on them, and I also have everything organized by topic and genre, so if you'd like to have a playlist, just mention that and I'll help you out. Alright, if I've forgotten something, you'll see it in another video. I love you much. I'll see you anon. Bye for now. Priscilla out.